Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today we come up with another video of creating banners and hoarding mockups in Canva. As you can see in your screens, one of our subscribers told us to make a tutorial on it. So here we are with that tutorial. Also guys, as we know that currently the Russia and Ukraine war is going on. So our today's banners are totally dedicated for stopping that war and maintaining silence as well as peacefulness around us. Also guys, keep in mind that we are going to show you our final output at the end of the video with many more examples just like that in the end. So to know about all of those examples, stay tuned with us till the end. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, we are going to take a YouTube thumbnail size blank page, and then we are going to go to this element section and going to search for Ukraine. After searching for Ukraine, we have many elements in front of our eyes. You can select anyone according to your preference. So I am going to select this small clip from here and going to fit it as the background. After this, I am going to select this hand element from here and going to put it in both the corners of the page, left as well as right. Just increasing the size of this hand according to our page and then duplicating it and putting it to left side also. Now flipping the hand which is on right side horizontally. After this, I'm just going to decrease the transparency of both the hands to 70. Now going to play it and going to see whether it is working properly or not. So it's working properly. After this, we are going to go to this text section and after going to this text section, we are going to select two text boxes from here. And then we are going to write in it, stand with peace and stop war. After this, we are just going to increase the size of both the text to 400. Okay, after doing it, we are going to put it in between the page. Okay, so it's done. Now again we are going to the element section and going to select this square shape from here and going to change it into the rectangle shape and going to put it behind both the two text. Okay, now after putting it behind the upper text, we are just going to duplicate this and going to put it behind the lower text as well. Now sending it to back. And now sending the upper rectangle also to more back. Okay, so it's done. After this, we are going to select this stand with peace text and going to change it to the hollow effect. And then going to increase its thickness to 70. And now same thing we are going to do with the lower text as well. And then what we are going to do, we are just going to duplicate this text and going to align it properly by applying another effect on it. So we are just going to apply this neon effect and going to increase its intensity to maximum. And then same thing we are going to do with the lower text as well. Okay, so it's done. Now we are going to put this neon text into the back and then we are going to achieve this kind of effect here. Okay guys, so it's done. Now we are going to change the color of the element which we used behind the stand with this text to blue and the text color to yellow. And after doing this, we are going to change the lower element color to yellow which we used behind the stopwatch text, and going to maintain the stopwatch text as it is. Now putting both these into the back side, and it's done. Okay, now we are again going to select this element section option and going to search for stopwatch or no word, anything you can search. Okay, so I'm just going to select this as well as this, and now we are going to put it like this. Okay guys, after doing this, we are going to go to a recently used section and going to select this kind of logo. Its name is flashing in your screens, you can find this easily. And now after selecting this logo, we are going to do some color variations in it. You can do anything according to your preference. I am doing it according to myself. Okay guys, so it's done. Now I am going to select this kind of circle shape and going to put it behind this logo. Just resizing it according to the logo size and going to put it behind. Now align it properly. And then after doing this, I'm just going to group these two elements with each other. Now going to align it properly according to the text which is written. Okay, now sending it to back, and now I'm going to change the shape color to white so that it will look more appropriate. Okay, after doing this, again we are going to select this lines and shapes option and going to select a proper shape like this one for our project. And now I am just going to put it behind both the two signs of a stopping board which we have used earlier. Okay, now align it properly and going to put it behind. But before that, we are going to add another page and going to drag the shape in it. And why we are doing this? Because this shape we want in a flipped way, but the shape is not flipping like that. So we are just going to drag it in another page and going to download it as a photo, and then we are going to flip it. So that's why we are doing it. So just align it properly in the page. And now after doing this guys, we are just going to download this in the PNG format, and that too in the transparent background option. Now downloading the third page. Okay, so just looking to the reference post, and then we are going to upload this. And after uploading it, we are just going to put it behind the another sign of a stopping board properly by flipping it horizontally. Also, we are going to change both these shapes color to white. Okay, so now we are just going to group these two shapes and going to put it to the back side. And then we are going to align these logos properly according to these shapes. Okay, so now we are just going to select all these elements and going to lock them so that they will not get disturbed anymore. Okay guys, so post is ready. So here is our final post. Isn't it looking so great? Okay, after doing this we are going to use a different option here. As you can see, we have different extensions in Canva. You can select and use any one according to your needs. But today, we are going to select this extension here, Smart Mockups. Using this extension, you can see all the possibilities of your banners and hoardings. So that's why we are using this option. Also guys, I want to tell you all that if you want to add more creativity in your creation, then you can check out the video which is flashing in your I button. But before that, do subscribe our channel so that you get notified every time whenever we post something new. Okay guys, so it's done. So now we are just going to select this option here, view in smartphone mockups, and here we are directed to its site. So here in this site we have different kinds of options available, like the all mockups, custom, technology. In technology we have so many options, then in print we have so many, then in packaging we got some options, then in apparel, then home and living, and then seasonal. So for now, we are going to select this print option and going to select the outdoor option in it. So here you have different kinds of possibilities which are possible for your banners as well as hoarding. So you can choose any one or download any one according to your preference. You got so many options here. Isn't it so cool that you just have to make a single post and then all the possibilities of banners and hoardings are ready for you? And you can do that simply by using this mockups extension of Canva. Okay, so I'm just going to download this one. Also, as you can see, we are going to get a watermark in our post as we are not having the pro version of it. So if you don't want it, you can pay for the pro version, but I am just going to download it like it. So our hoarding is downloaded and here we have our final hoarding. So what do you think about it? Please let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read them. Also guys, we have different examples like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you got a value from here, and if you got, then please do subscribe our channel and hit like button in this video. So we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely self.